Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, little chefs and parents. In this video, I will show how to make pizza for kids step by step. First, let's get everything ready. Gather all your ingredients like pre-made dough, a jar of sauce, shredded cheese, and your favorite toppings. Remember to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly flour a clean surface. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and fun for everyone involved. Now for the dough and sauce. Take your pizza dough and gently stretch or roll it into a nice round shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Homemade is always best. Carefully place your dough onto a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Next, spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border all around the edge. This border will become your yummy crust. It's topping time, the most creative part. First, sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese all over the sauce. Then, let your little chefs add their favorite toppings. Think about small pieces of pepperoni, cooked chicken, or colorful vegetables like bell peppers and olives. Encourage them to make fun patterns or even silly faces with the toppings. Just remember not to overload the pizza, so it cooks perfectly and evenly in the oven. The moment of truth. Carefully transfer your beautifully topped pizza to the preheated oven. It will bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is a lovely golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for about 5 minutes. This short wait helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Then, slice it up and enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.